secret ingredients on how you can achieve the perfect fluffy moi moi. Watch to the end of the video to find out how. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your fluffy moi moi. Let's get right into it. These are all the ingredients you need: your crayfish, our leaves, our washed beans, cooking oil, our coconut milk, seasoning cube, eggs, corned beef, roasted pepper, that's our onion, tatashi shombo, then our fish, and these are all the ingredients you need. So first thing first is we're going to add our washed beans and also our roasted pepper, emphasis on roasted pepper and onion, then our coconut milk inside our blender, and then we're going to blend this until it is very smooth. This took between 4 to 5 minutes depending on our blender. So at this stage our moi moi is ready. Can you see how thick it is? Like when I mean thick, I mean it's not runny and it's not so thick. So time for us to add our other ingredients. So I'm going to add the remaining of my coconut milk, and then while mixing our ingredients and spices together, we'll be mixing it. So next step is our crayfish, blended crayfish. Next is our corned beef. So we're going to add our egg. It's important for you to add your eggs, that's raw eggs, to your moi moi because it makes it sticks together. And also your cooking oil, you have to be a little bit generous depending on the quantity you're using. Then after that we're going to add our seasoning cube, and then we'll keep stirring. Then last but not least is our ginger and garlic powder. I would suggest, if you have the fresh ginger and garlic powder, always add it while you're blending your beans, and a little bit of salt because salt has a way of balancing all the taste. Then our fish. Then at this stage, all we have to do is just to wrap our moi moi. If you're finding it difficult on how to wrap your moi moi, the video is up on my YouTube channel. So we're just going to cover this and allow it to steam between 20 to 30 minutes on a medium heat. Then we're just going to cover it and allow it to get cooking. This is after 30 minutes. So I'm just going to take one to see if it is ready. Then all I had to do was just to serve. So at the end of the day, this is what we have. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.